Today I'm making a carrot salad inspired by Ikaria. It's not a traditional salad, but the inspiration comes from the way we use carrot top. The first thing I want to do is toast my walnuts because the warmth of the skillet brings out all of the essential oils and the nuts. Once we toast the walnuts, we want to just grind them. The dressing is also really simple. So these are almost Eastern flavors, Anatolian flavors. They go really well with the carrot. And that's pretty much it. The dressing is also ready, going right over the salad, and we just want to toss that. It's such a beautiful, simple salad. It's so elegant in its simplicity. I'm ready to try this. This is the Ikaria way for giving salad and giving carrots a whole other dimension. It's almost a revelation. So please remember, if you want to enjoy life the Ikaria way, make a salad every day.